got a follower, guys. Hold off that grass right there. It's a good ambush point right here, guys. Follower. Nope. Follower, guys. Follower right here. See if I can trigger a reaction button. Oh my God, damn it, he was right there. Oh my God, he was right there. GoPro highlight. GoPro highlight. Follower. We got a follower, guys. And we get this bad boy to eat it. That's a big old pickerel. That's who came after it the first time. That big swim bait bite ain't nothing like it, guys. I don't care if you're catching chain picks or whatnot. He hit that golden belt. Oh my God, that golden belt baits. So that's a golden belt bleeding shad. That's been the flavor out here for the big swim baits. That's money, guys. I think I got it from Modern Outdoor Tackle. Check them out. I think they have some more over there, but this is becoming one of my favorites because they suspend really well without any tuning. So check that big guy out. If he quit twerking, quit your twerking. Nice little guy.